Hi people, welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you proof of profits with my account 2. Okay, this is my Darwinx live account, MT4 account. Okay, as you know, I'm building up accounts. Account 1 is exactly where I want it to be. I'll just show it to you quickly just so you can see. This one is my account 1. I'm currently standing at 354,993. And if you look at my history, you can see that I'm deep in profit. Okay, so you know what I'm using here works really well. There was a couple of losses. This was actually when I manually shut down, and it was moving so fast that it went from profit to loss really quick. And this is where I actually ended up losing these two profits. But if we pull up, you'll see that pretty much all the other ones now are all in profit, especially this one, like 7,338, 6,456. This was XAU USD. Okay, this is what I show you with inside my Darren's Trading Academy, and I show you how you trade without actually using your own money, and you pay just as little as £38 a month. Okay, for a funded 100k account. Now this is only one part of my actual trading academy. Okay, the other part of the trading academy is that I give you access to 48 plus bots, okay, which by the time you actually look at them will probably be 50 plus bots, okay, with set files that work for you. Now if we go back to this one, this is the Sectant 24 gold 2.3 fix. It shows you the balance. What I was using was 78,100, and the profit, which is £5,782.90. So this is what this particular bot has generated. Okay, and if we look, it started on the 13th of December. Okay, and believe it or not, it's now I think the time, so let's just open this up a minute. Now this has been going for some time actually, so if we scroll through, you'll see that this has been going right the way along here. So you can see that it finds its support, take profit and stop loss. Okay, and it basically just keeps trading at those points. And you'll see that if we were to look, so we'll just bring it in here like that, you'll see that it's round about November that this started. Okay, or actually it's showing the 10th of December. Okay, so this was fired up on the 10th of December, and to the 13th of December where it stopped, because I stopped this because this is still water trading, but because it's the weekend the market is closed. So this made £5,782.90 in 2 days. Okay, this is one bot which I use. I also use the golden pickaxe, which is running as well. So you know, there's lots and lots of little bots which I have ticking on, and then I have my actual news filter, which just gives me an idea of what's coming up, if there's anything I should be aware of. Okay, this is mainly if I was doing manual trading. Then there's me account 3, which is coming into profit now. It's 102,144, and I'm using Dynamaster on this one, Precision bot on this one, and then Galaxy Gold Scalper on this one. So you see I've just got 3 things which are running. So these are all coming into profit. Okay, the idea of this is it's all to do with trying to get your allocation. Okay, once you get your allocation, this is when you get almost like guaranteed money coming in every 3 months, because you get paid a performance fee for trading. Okay, and you compete against other traders with inside the Darwinx Zero account. There's currently, I think it's 7,000 people inside, and I'm round about 163rd at the moment. This is because I stopped trading. If I hadn't stopped trading, I'd be around about 60 to 70. If we go over here and click on here, it's going to open up my Darwinx account, and you'll see that currently my P&L, this is my overall what they project that I'll be getting within a year, is 10,260, and you'll see that I'm at 1,139. Now the reason why I stopped this, okay, trading with this, was because as long as I don't fall below my profit margin, which I've done, I won't lose the money here, which is 1,139. So I would think, well, this is a good payday for me, because I'll get this on the 3rd of January. Okay, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to keep this. So the way I've done it is I've actually stopped trading on Darwin X02, 1 account. Okay, because then that way I know I'm going to get this, and then I'm probably going to be getting other things that are going to come through this as well, which will be my allocations. You'll see that my actual lifetime allocation is at 36.88%, because I paid $145 for a lifetime. What this means is this could take me months if I wanted to get up to an allocation, and then this is just another income which I will be able to rely on with inside the Darwin X0 account. Okay, so this is just almost like just a video just to show you what I do, how it works, etc. Okay, so to be honest with you, I haven't really been doing a lot of trading, because where we're coming up to the holiday, the market isn't that volatile. You do have to be a bit careful if the market's not too volatile, because you could get lumped into a trade and you can't always get out of it. Okay, so you know, this is why, if you notice, all my algo trading is off. So I might do the odd manual trade. To be honest, I'm probably not going to do any trading at all until I've got my until I got my payment, my performance payment, which I get on 3rd of Jan. It's a different story from my other ones though that I'm doing. Okay, so if I'm doing my MetaTrader 4, I'm still making money on this. I mean, we're at 30th December, and you know, I'm still making money with this. Okay, so you know, I made 5,782, so this is just boosting up my account quite well, which I need to do because I need to get it over my 100k, which I started with, and then it will start to generate performance fees, and then this one I just leave chugging along. If we go to the account history, you'll see this is my Darwin X2 account. Okay, you'll see that I had some severe drawdowns. Okay, you can see that the swap fee, but to be honest, I still got profit, and you'll see that we got some profit here as well. So it's because the bots that I'm using on this are just going into they're dipping into the market, they're grabbing, and then they're coming back out again, right? But you can see the profits: £15, 15, 16, 16, 16, 89, 91, 102, 175, 834, 1,336, 3,067. Okay, so you can see that it's not too bad. Okay, the only problem is when you're using things like that is if, for instance, one of your trades takes a long time for it to generate profits, you will have to pay a swap fee. Okay, and you see that the swap fee was $426.52. I'm not worried about that because I still made 3,067. So really, this one here I made 2,500. Okay, this one here where I had to pay a swap fee of £169.65, I still made roughly $250. Okay, so providing I'm making profit with inside that, then you know that's not an issue. It's when you start to hit other drawdowns that it can cost you a lot. You see, look at this, but you can see that it's running quite well. I was losing when I first set this up. I was in a loss, okay, and then I just kept chugging away, and now we're coming back into profit. And this is exactly what I show you inside Darren's Trading Academy, how to do this. Okay, and I use a generation of bots. Most of them I tested the set files and they're all ready for you, so you just need to pop these on. This is a 5-minute window that we're activating this XAU USD, and you notice that I tend to stick with XAU USD. This is because I'm starting to become more accustomed to it. I sort of know what it's going to do and what it isn't going to do. Okay, and just showing you the last trade, okay, which is in a drawdown of $11.28. That's not too bad, right, considering that the markets are shut. And I just leave this fully on automatic. You can see that the auto trading is in green, which is just showing you that this is just running. And this one here is in red, which is my account 3. Okay, now it's going to get confusing with me, and this is account 1, so it's going to get confusing with me telling you about these accounts, but the idea is that you'll see what performance I am doing with them all, how long it's taken me to do the performance on it, okay, and how quick you can generate profits if you follow what I show you inside my trading academy. Okay, so you know, this is what it's all about, and you can see that gold is dropping nicely down here, right? 2648, it's going to hit this mark here, 2645, probably bounce up after that, and this is exactly what it's done. It's respected this key line which I put in, which is at 2645, and if we look at my drawing, which should be this one, and you'll see that these are respected points, okay, and you'll see that this one here, and this is another respected area here, okay, and this is why it's gone up, it's come down, and it's going to bounce and go back up. It might even retest and then come back down again, okay. This is what it will probably do. So it's probably going to go up, hit this point here, and then come down again, and it's going to test this line here, right? This is a very, very strong line, okay, same as this is a very strong line here as well, because you've got the foundation here. I'm all over the place, but you get the idea what I'm trying to show you. Okay, so it's already respected it here. It's also respected it here as well, right? It's respected it here, it's respected it here, and it's respected it here. Okay, so it's a strong line. It's gone up, it's come down, it's bounced, it's gone down, it's broke through, it's come back up, retest, it's come back down, it's created support, come down, and it will find its own support and resistance. It's what you'll find. The danger is when you start to trade, when you are with less liquidity, okay, and it's not so volatile, is it can go both ways. So you can end up losing the trade quicker than you could if it was more volatile, because you get an idea of what the trend is in the market. So that's one of the things that, you know, you have to watch out for, and that's why we have certain tools running on here which will show me, okay. And this is why I use it, the on balance volume, this one here, which is the accumulation distribution, okay, and this one, which is the bulls and bears, and then I have a timer where I time in and time out what the candle is, whether it's bearish, bullish, on a 4-hour candle or a 1-hour candle or a 30-minute candle, okay. And also a good indicator if gold is going to go up really, really quick, USD CAD will start to fly down, okay, it works in the opposite way, and XAG USD, okay, will normally start to go parabolic as well, okay, and you'll find that XAG USD could go up, and it could keep going up. You'll find gold may follow very, very shortly. So USD JPY is a very good indication as well. That's the opposite to XAU USD. Okay, so there's just a couple of little bits and bobs there for you to understand. The main video idea with this video was just to catch up. That's the wrong screen. Is just to catch up of what the bots are, etc., how they're all running, because I want to bring out a video now where I show you very, very slowly how the account 2 is growing. Okay, account 1 is already where I want it. I'm going to hopefully get it to 500k by the end of next year, maybe sooner, okay, but 500k would be really good, because it's going to activate all my allocations. It's going to give me a really good position to be in, because it means I could be more aggressive with my trading, because I've got more capital to trade with. And then I've got this one here, which is obviously the account 3, which is at 102.144. So, you know, this has been running for 3 or 4 days now. So yeah, it's not too bad at all, really, considering. So that's it. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you have any questions, by the way, just put the comments below inside the YouTube channel. If you're watching this in the Telegram group, just pop any comments inside the Telegram group, and I will answer them as quickly as I can. All the very best till my next video. Thank you. Bye now.